Hi, my name is Andrew, and I am currently showing you the new Buygoti app. This will be the main menu that you're looking at in your screen at the moment. This will be something where when a user first clicks on the icon, opens up the app, this is what they're going to see. In the top left corner, it'll open up a menu, and you can access your social media or change your geolocation, sign in and out if you need to. On the top, there's also the logo, which actually exists as a button, and there's also this little back arrow. So the logo and this little back button actually always takes you directly back to the screen. Now let's go over the buttons. So here we have daily deals at the top, my favorites, shop by category, business directory, and search deals. So let's say if we click on daily deals, here a user will be able to see all the hottest deals available in their geolocation. And for example, they can easily just simply scroll through, look at prices, look at an individual image on it. Let's say if they see something they like, they can literally just click on the deal, and here they can take a look at the deal. It'll have the title at the top. You can have up to 4 pictures, 2 of them are mandatory. For every promotion that you do, you are required to have 2 images. Below the images, you also have the expiration date in red. Below the expiration date, you're going to have your description. So everything that you need to describe about the product to attract the customer in. Below the description, you're either going to have a % off, or you can have a dollar amount. So for example, here we have something to where it was $1.99 and it's now $89.99. Now let's say if this customer, this user is looking at this deal and loves the deal, they don't even know where this business is, and they actually want to just drive over there right now and get it. They can click on their navigation button right here. So there's an address and a location. Just click on it, it'll open up their default navigation on their phone. Then down below you'll have a close button and a button that will either say add to favorites or remove to favorites, depending on how you toggle it. Right now I've already added this one to favorites, so that's why it says remove from favorites if I wanted to. Alright, so now let's go back. We just talked about hottest deals. We'll skip Spotlight really quick. We're just going to go to more deals. So if you go to more deals, I mean, everything's always going to be laid out the same way. Now more deals, they're not going to be a high percentage off, but they'll still be a very attractive deal to allure customers. So let's say, for example, we click on a deal, it'll list everything the same way. There's nothing different here except for the value of the deal is going to be a little bit smaller than hottest deals. Now Spotlight is completely different. Spotlight is in the middle of both the deal tabs, and what Spotlight is all the local events and all the local entertainment is going to be available under Spotlight. So it can be a deal, or it can be something where it's just advertised the cost of the actual event. So for example, if the city has a special event once a year that wants to let the public know, they'll be able to list it here. If a restaurant or a bar has a live band playing for free, where customers aren't being charged door free to get in, they can actually list that live band playing for free on the mobile app if they're actually a member of the app. We want to have movie theaters listed here. Any type of auditoriums, theaters where they do live plays and live shows and that nature, everything will fall under here. So we want to make this app something to where all the local users that use it have an easy way of keeping up with everything local and finding cool things to go check out and go to. Alright, so we've gone through all the deals in the Spotlight. So now the next button is going to be my favorites. So earlier you saw me click on a deal that I had already favorited. So you're going to have 2 tabs at the very top of your my favorite area. So these are all the deals that you favorited that you can go back to, and you can unfavorite them, take them off your list, or click on it for more information or whatnot. Then the button next to it, you can also favorite businesses. So there's a company directory that we'll go and show you in a minute. It'll look exactly like this except for the 2 buttons at the top. where, because I've favorited pretty much all of them except for I think Best Buy on my list here. I'm sorry, Best Buy, but I'll add it to this list in a second. So let's say, for example, you click on Michael's, and here they'll have every business profile will allow to have one picture to represent your company. Below that will be a button that says add to my favorites or remove company from my favorites. Below that, you're going to have a call button that allows a user just to click on it. It'll open up their telephone, dial the number, then you just hit your green phone to start the call. Directions. If you're a user and you've never been there before, or you just want to simply see where it's located on the map, you just click directions. It'll open up your default map and show you exactly where it is on the map and if you want to do navigation or not. We do allow 2 social media links, and these are your only choices at the moment, version 1, where you can have your Facebook and your Twitter links. We felt those were the 2 most popular, so we decided just to use those to keep the profile page nice and clean. Below the call button, it's hard to see because it's just a set of words. It says visit our website. You just click on that and it'll just take you directly to that company's website. Below that, you'll see hottest deals, spotlight, and more deals. So if that business is showcasing any hot deals, any free promotions for events, or just other promotions that just didn't do so well, like for example, there's 2 here where there's a couple more deals that you can actually take a look at. Alright, so we're going to go back to the main. Here we're shop at category. So this is the current list I have set up. We can alter this at any time. If you notice on the blue boxes, there's a little black arrow to the right of a few of these. Those will actually indicate that they're subcategories. So let's say, for example, we do food and drink. Here you have a list of restaurants, fast food, bars, and delivery only subcategories. And then you would just, let's say if you're looking for great deals in restaurants, you would just click that and then see what all the deals are during that day for restaurants. So that's how category works. Business directory, this is where I mentioned how I forgot to add Best Buy as a favorite. So let's go ahead and re-add them. So here the button's light blue, dark blue, and now it's light blue. That takes you to remove company from favorites if I wanted to, but I want to keep it, so I like Best Buy. Alright, so we just went through the business directory. Like I said, it looks exactly like what I was showing you earlier. There's a few other ones I didn't add to my favorites. I should. Alright, and last but not least, search deals. Pretty self-explanatory. Literally, if you know a word in a specific deal that you've seen prior and you want to search for it, you just literally type it in and hit search. So that's pretty much the breakdown of Buygoti. Hope you like it.